It's Minute Maid time. Come on. Here's what we're going to make today. A wobbly bug. It's a bug that's wobbly.
I'm wibbly wobbly.
And to make one, you will need a glue stick, a pipe cleaner, 2 pom-poms, that's one big and one small, and we'll also need some air drying clay, some googly eyes and half of a plastic egg. Now you can get these things from a toy shop or an art and craft shop. I'll be back in a tick. Wait there. I've got them. Here we go. Let's have a look what we've got. 1 googly eye. There's 2. And there's the ball of air drying clay. And also, here's a plastic egg which splits into 2 halves. Now I'm going to use this half here, which has got a rounded bottom. Now, you don't just have to use a plastic egg. Oh, no. There are lots of different plastic containers that you can use.
Just make sure they split into 2 halves.
But do you think it's possible to make this in just 1 minute?
No way!
Oh, well, I think I can do it, Tocky. I'll have to move quickly, though. But don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end.
Stop the clock!
Here we go. Let's get our ball of air drying clay and squidge it into the bottom of our half of the egg. There we go. And then we're going to get a pipe cleaner and wrap it around our finger like that to make a spring. There we go. I'm going to spring into action, Tocky, and push the spring into the clay like that. There we go. That's looking wobbly and good. Now let's make our bug. I've got the small pom-pom here. I'm going to put plenty of glue onto it like that to make a nose. And then I'm going to put on the googly eyes. Here's one. There we go. 1 googly eye. And here's the other googly eye going on. There we go. And now I just need to stick him into the top of the spring like this. There he goes. You've got yourself 1 wobbly bug.
Stop the clock!
Yes, and if you've got more than a minute, there are other wobbly bugs that you can make too.
How about using a yellow pipe cleaner with a purple pom-pom? Or why not try making a really big wobbly bug by using a bigger pom-pom and a bigger egg?
Wobbly bugs made in a minute. Why don't you try making one? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Put a ball of air drying clay into the bottom of the egg. Curl a pipe cleaner around your finger to make a spring shape. Stick the pipe cleaner into the clay and then stick a nose and 2 googly eyes onto the pom-pom. Push the pom-pom onto the spring to finish your wobbly bug.
Why don't you try and make it in a minute?